Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I want to do a meal plan and grocery haul with you guys. So it's going to be 10 days worth of a meal plan that I'm going to be sharing. It is the end of the month, so I wanted to scrape by and use all of the meat and leftovers that we have in our freezer. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to follow me on my social media, especially on Instagram. I am very active on there. As I said, please like and give this a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And so without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So the meal plan for the next 10 days is as so. On the 19th, we're gonna make homemade pizza. On the 28th, it is burgers and chips. The 21st, I have chicken legs, potatoes and corn. The 22nd is meatballs and pasta. 23rd, I'm gonna make turkey skewers and potatoes and veg. And I have a video on how I make those turkey skewers if you're interested in viewing that. The 24th, we're going to do roast chicken salad rolls. The 25th, being a Sunday, we always eat out on a Sunday in Robert's parents' house. 26th, we're going to do chicken fajita bake, and again I have a video on how to make that chicken fajita bake. It's very simple if you want to check it out. The 22nd, I'm going to do pulled pork rolls, and then on the 28th, I'm going to do like kind of like a mismatch of foods that we have left over. So if we have sausages, spaghetti hoops, chips, eggs, beans, whatever is there, I'm just going to throw in, and we're going to just make a dinner out of it. And that is the plan for the next 10 days. So this is from Tesco's. So first out, we got this 790 gram of cornflakes. We have 2 of these Mother Light yogurts, so it's the vanilla with the dark chocolate sprinkles. 2 of these Glenisk organic baby yogurts, so it's apple and pear, and then a strawberry and apple. We have back here Brennan's Be Good wholemeal bread, and 2 of these Original Source mint and tea tree shower gels. We then have the organic Scuddies, the tomato X's and O's. Then we have the Ella's Kitchens cheese and leek crunchy wheels. We have an apple tart here. And then the final things we bought are this 3-pack of tops for Ava. So you can see just like a raccoon. Next one has just little love hearts on it, and then we have this plain luminous orange one, and this was $12.50 for this 3-pack. We then have this, so it's a Wonder Woman top, and it has a detachable cape at the back, and I got this in 3 to 4 because it just seemed a bit small. It was €10, and this is the little detachable cape at the back. And then finally I just got her this grey sweatshirt. It's just a grey hoodie, size 2 to 3, and it was €9. And then the total we spent in Tesco's today, the total we spent was €50.44, and that includes the 3 sets of clothes that she got as well. So this haul is from Aldi. So first out, we have a butternut squash, a sweet potato, a yellow pepper. We then have this bottle of maple syrup. We have a pineapple, a punnet of conference pears. We then have some strawberries back here, a net of red onions, some organic carrots. Then we have some chia seeds, some milled flaxseed, which is also like linseed. We have a punnet of blueberries, some frozen chopped garlic, some organic walnuts. Then onto here we have 4 Yorkshire puddings, a pizza base, and then under that here we have some grated mozzarella cheese. We have ready to eat avocado, so that's a 2-pack, look back here, we have a massive thing of kale. We also have some baby spinach. Down here we have 2 courgettes, 2 liters of milk. We have beef meatballs. Then we have turkey steak breasts, a packet of sliced beef, diced white onions. Then we have the 4% fat mince, 4 brioche buns. We have an Aptamil for Ava, and I also have some whipped cream for a video that I'm doing. And then finally we have a whole small chicken. And the total we spent in Lidl today was $63.04 for everything here.